In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion from scratch. Notion is a powerful tool that you can customize to suit your needs, and today we'll focus on creating a functional and visually appealing habit tracker to help you stay on top of your goals. Let's get started by opening up Notion, wherever you choose to access it, be it your desktop app or favorite browser. Once you have it open, the first thing you'll want to do is look towards the top navigation section. You should see an arrow pointing downwards there. Give that arrow a click. With the arrow menu expanded, you'll find a range of options. Our focus is on finding some ready-made templates to help us kickstart our habit tracker. So, what you'll want to do next is search for and click on the templates option. This will open up a library of different templates covering a wide range of uses and needs. Take a moment to explore what's available if you're curious, as Notion has quite a lot to offer in terms of productivity tools. Now, to zero in on exactly what we need, head to the search bar within the template library and type in Habit Tracker. Once you do, Notion will filter the search results to show a variety of habit tracking templates. Sift through these to find one that sparks your interest and seems like it could fit your tracking needs. Feel free to either explore the individual options or even see a comprehensive list by selecting See All. Once you've settled on a suitable template, go ahead and click Add. At this point, you will be presented with two options. You can choose to add the template to your private section, or if you're in a collaborative setup, to a workspace. Deciding where to place your tracker largely depends on who else might need access to it. If it's just for you, private is the best way to go. Otherwise, workspace can be a great way to share it with team members or partners. After making your choice, you'll have the ability to take a closer look at what the template offers. Click on See Template to get a detailed view and ensure it meets all your criteria before you start personalizing it. That's where the magic happens. You can tweak it as needed, add new habits, and set it all up to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. And there you have it, your very own habit tracker ready to help you achieve your personal goals. Notion makes it easy to manage your habits, track your progress, and ultimately see positive changes in your routine. Thanks for watching and happy planning.